So we talked about, obviously we didn't have a Christmas party, so we were talking about the date. So right now our date is on 4/26. It'll be coming out on the check, so we're going to have a pre-Cinco de Mayo party. Alright, so that's what we're going to have at the new plant. So what we need is, what's really critical is to get the information back to us for how many people, for immediate family, and yourself, so we can figure out food and everything else, so, and tables and chairs and everything. So over the next 2 weeks we need to collect all that information, so it'll be on your check, so please let us know. So again, it'll be Sunday 4/26, okay? So it'll be coming out on the checks.
What time?
What time? 1:30 to 4:30. Right? Okay. Alright, so we talked about work groups. The work group refers to everyday reporting and supervisory structure of the organization. One group is made up of several small teams that work day in and day out and develop their standardized work, solve problems, improve the standards, and create new ones. This does not mean that other teams will not have more than 5 people. For example, problem-solving groups such as quality circles and safety committees often have more than 5 members. However, in these situations, the number is recommended and controlled to be no more than 6 to 8. If the number of members gets too high, the flow of information and ability to work through the problem-solving process gets hampered. A maximum number of 12 people are placed in problem-solving groups because it is found that the team dynamic with more than 12 people tends to split and become 2 groups. With a work team the size of 5 to 6 people, the 800-person organization is not flat, but quite tall, requiring 5 levels total, including the working level of over 600 people at the bottom. How can Toyota balance its rule of 5 with the concept of having flat management structure? On one hand, they are saying that the fewer levels of management are needed in order to be fast and efficient. And on the other side, they are saying that a small span of control and small work teams sustain trust and problem solving. These two concepts can appear to be in opposition and must be balanced. For Toyota, the key is to be able to have the span of control needed to have trust in coaching, yet still have the prompt decision-making and flow of information. Toyota does 3 main things to make both these happen. 1, use a matrix organization. 2, distribute decision-making based on clear decision-making standards. And 3, clearly identify the role and function of a team leader. Okay? If anyone's been in a big group, it's really easy to see that happen. You get split up. You get 2 sides of the story. You get 2 sides that are always, I guess you want to say counteracting the other one. So it does make a big difference. That's why you'll see, like, even the 5S, we're trying to, bring it down a little bit so we don't get all these different groups and still maintain that one solid problem-solving team. Alright, so today's April Fool's Day. We are still having a pre-Cinco de Mayo party. It's not a joke, okay? So, alright.